Oh, there you go.
Stay. That candle doesn't want to light up. So Jackson, you're a year old today. You feel any different?
You're going to sing happy birthday?
Mm-hmm. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jackson. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
You smelling the candle burning?
Can you blow the candle out, Jackson? No? Uh-oh. There's wax in your ice cream. Alright. Get it. Go eat.
That's got to be slow.
I've never made him eat it out of the cup. It'll take a year and a day if I don't put it in a bowl. Can you dump it in the bowl?
Just keep that hand.
No, because he's wanting the ice cream. He's got bigger fish to fry than getting the hat off.
Take it off, bro.
I don't know if I'd do it.
But you probably don't see it.
Yummy, yummy birthday ice cream. Jackson, hey. Hey, Jackson, look at me. Look at me. Oh. Okay, you can go back to it.
You want me to push it over there?
No, that's fine. Eat. You look very festive in your party hat, Jackson.
Not even knocking it off.
There's food to eat.
Not very fast, though. Even that. One lick at a time. You can't get it up, I guess. Let's bite it.
You could. I've never seen him bite ice cream though. He likes to lick it.